What's up guys? Kospet has released a new smartwatch that is not actually new, but updated. Even its name says so, KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2. If it was a new watch, it would most likely be called the KOSPET Tank T4, right? Anyway, today we are going to talk about the updated smartwatch and find out what's new about it. By the way, I recommend you to watch our video about the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra, because in this video we will talk more about the changes than its features. Unfortunately, I don't have the previous KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra anymore, so we will not be able to compare it to the Tank T3 Ultra 2 side by side, but we will be sure to cover all the differences between them. Let's start with the unboxing. So I see the first difference of the new smartwatch on the box, a new watch face. The KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 actually has a fresh collection of redesigned watch faces, but we will talk about that a little later. The back of the box has a list of specs, and the sides have the main features. You know, the packaging of the new KOSPET smartwatch is a little different from the previous one. However, the contents are the same, such as watch dial, strap, magnetic charging cable, wipes, and guide stickers for installing the protective glass on the screen, the protective glass itself, and the user manual. You know, the previous smartwatch even had a different magnetic charging cable, so these watches are even more different than I thought they would be. Talking about the design, the new KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 looks exactly the same as the previous smartwatch. However, there are a few important changes here. The bezel of the new watch is made of 316L stainless steel. The case is made of 306 stainless steel, and the function buttons are made of the stainless steel. In other words, the new smartwatch is more durable. You know, that's really big changes, because the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 is a rugged sports watch, and you are more likely to use it in rush conditions. However, the protective standards have remained the same, because they couldn't be any better, such as 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof, and 15 US military certifications. The new watch also passed 28 reliable internal tests. You know, even the bottom case of the new KOSPET smartwatch is made of stainless steel, but the area with sensors is made of polyamide and glass fiber. The dimensions of the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 are 48 by 48 by 13.7 mm. The weight is 83.8 grams. As befits a real sports watch, it has 4 physical control buttons. You can use them instead of touch screen. The strap of the KOSPET watch is made of silicone, like most other smartwatches. But I have noticed it is softer and more flexible. I find this strap very comfortable. However, you can quickly replace it with any other 22mm width. You can even buy the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 with an additional steel premium strap. So while the new watch looks exactly the same as the previous model, it has become more durable. That's really important for a sports watch. The display of the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 has a 1.43-inch diagonal 466 by 466 pixels resolution and AMOLED panel. Although it is the same as the previous model, it is very high quality. Even outdoors, in direct sunlight, the screen is very comfortable to view. Since it is an AMOLED panel, there is an always-on display mode on the watch. You can select Follow Current Watch Face or Custom in the settings, and then select the dial for the always-on display mode. I already said that the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 has redesigned watch faces. There are 7 watch faces available out of the box, and I like them all. You can even customize some of them. For example, display calories, barometric pressure, distance, time, altitude, weather, heart rate, or stress. There are also many different watch faces available in the mobile app. You know, I don't want to dwell on the mobile app because we will went over it in detail in the previous video. If you are interested, check it out by the link in description. I just want to remind you that the app is called Kospet Fit, and it is compatible with Android and iOS devices. I also looked at the app list on the new Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2, and it is completely the same as on the previous smartwatch. There are mostly sports functions here, such as daily activity, workout, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen. But you can also find a calculator, music control, camera control, etc. By the way, the watch has a handy menu with widgets that you can open by swiping up from the main screen. You can also edit this menu by removing or adding the functions you want. Of course, there is a Bluetooth calling support here, so you can receive or make calls when the watch is connected to your smartphone. Since the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2 is a sports watch, it comes with over 170 workout modes. It can also automatically recognize 6 sports movements, such as walking, running, cycling, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, and still. In fact, one of the major updates in the new smartwatch is the GPS route back support. When I tested the GPS in the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra, it had a route map. However, the new Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2 supports GPS route back. Let's see what it is. So I start walking mode and go for a walk. You don't have to enter workout mode to see the route map. Just swipe to the right for that. This is a live route map with a compass. You can zoom in and zoom out. When you tap on the screen, you will see the route back button at the top. After you press it, the navigation stops and you are shown how to go to the back. The red arrow should point to 12 o'clock. It also shows the number of meters remaining until you have to walk in a straight line. This is a very useful feature when you are hiking on mountain trails and rough terrain. The battery of the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra 2 has a capacity of 470 mAh. It provides a battery life up to 15 days in typical usage mode and from 5 to 8 days in heavy usage. On the other hand, if always-on display mode is enabled, don't expect more than 5 days of use on a single charge. However, it is still a very good battery life for a smartwatch. So it doesn't really make sense to compare the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra and T3 Ultra 2, because it seems only the new watch is available now. The old model has been taken out of production. The new smartwatch has a few improvements, but costs the same. Who would buy the old watch in this case? I don't think the redesigned watch faces are really big update, but more durable case, bezel, and buttons made of stainless steel are really important for a rugged watch. In addition, the GPS route back feature will be useful for those who go hiking. It will keep you from getting lost. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!